It turns out there are four types of fat. There's subcutaneous fat, and that's the fat where you can pinch an inch. I've got plenty of that. There's visceral fat, and visceral fat is much more dangerous than subcutaneous fat. Visceral fat layers around the organs inside the torso of the body, and it's associated with increased mortality. Then there's fat that's actually inside your cells, not your fat cells necessarily, but lipids that are stored inside muscle cells and other cells. And that stuff is terrible. Talk about insulin resistance and metabolic dysfunction. It's not where fat belongs. But the fourth one is the brown fat. So the brown fat that we're talking about here is not fat that shows up in the mirror. It's clustered around the clavicles, the back of the neck. It's positioned so that when your heart is supplying blood to your brain and the brown fat is active for cold thermogenesis, it will warm that blood up before it gets up to the brain.